Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2 offline with friends. First, launch the game and head to the Play Dota section. From there, you'll want to choose Custom Lobby to set up your private match. This is the essential first step to getting your offline game going, allowing you to control all the settings for a perfect friendly match. It's quite straightforward, taking only a few clicks to get started. Once your lobby is created, it's time to invite your friends. Use the Invite button to bring them into your private game. Next, you'll want to customize the game settings. Choose your preferred game mode, like All Pick or Captain's Mode, and select a local server. Remember to enable cheats if you want to experiment with commands during your match, offering more flexibility and fun. With everyone in the lobby and settings configured, it's time to start your game. Double-check that all your friends are present and ready. You can assign teams manually or let players pick their sides. Once everything looks good, simply hit the Start Game button. The game will load, and you'll be ready to dive into the action with your friends in your private offline match. Now you're all set to enjoy your private offline Dota 2 match. This setup allows for a smooth experience without worrying about internet lag or random players. It's a fantastic way to practice new heroes, try out different strategies, or simply have fun with friends in a relaxed, low-pressure environment. You have complete control over the game, making it perfect for learning and friendly competition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.